Today we are going to learn the vowels in the alphabet. Repeat after me. A, E, I, O, U. Great job. Let's say them again. A, E, I, O, U. Perfect.
A, A, apple. E, E, egg. I, igloo. O, octopus. U, umbrella.
Now we can practice saying words with the short A sound. Say the words with me. Cat, sat, mat. Let's read the sentence together. The cat sat on a mat. The cat sat on a mat. Wow, you can read! Now we can practice saying words with the short E sound. Say the words with me. Pet, wet, hen. Let's read the sentence together. My pet hen is wet. My pet hen is wet. Great job! Now we can practice saying words with the short I sound. Say the words with me. Zip, kick, flip. Let's read the sentence together. I can zip, kick, and flip. I can zip, kick, and flip. Wonderful! Now we can practice saying words with the short O sound. Say the words with me. Boy, toy, joy. Let's read the sentence together. The toy gave the boy joy. The toy gave the boy joy. Now we can practice saying words with the short U sound. Say the words with me. Bug, dug, mud. Let's read the sentence together. The bug dug in the mud. The bug dug in the mud. You did an amazing job learning the short vowel sounds and reading today. Let's read the words one more time. Cat, sat, mat, pet, wet, hen, zip, kick, flip, boy, toy, joy, bug, dug, mud.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and push the notification bell. I can't wait to see you again soon.